Mitai and Maitai Pangals of Borayanbi, Langongbi, Khoijumantabi, Sadangkhong staged protests against removal of 42 Battalion CRPF-C company from Borayangbi, Thaupalaikai, Badempur Primary School gate at Kumbi near Langya village of Saikot in Churachandpur district today. A women protester condemned the evacuation of central forces who were supposed to safeguard the civilians in the red zone areas amid the prevailing crisis, stating that the locals have been living a secured life because of the CRPF. She further highlighted the grievances that would arise if they leave the area. She asked the authority concerned not to relocate until other forces replaced them. She further stated that they will continue their agitation and added that state government should be responsible for if any untoward incident occurs.
CRPF company asi mafam sidai sida red zone oiba maram na red zone laiba mafam maram oiba na mafam sidai sida CRPF thambira kibani kadam da hojik red zone oiba area asidagi CRPF sat khagani haiduna akoi khunthang na badal laiba khunja taragi maira paibi singna si protest udana hairiba mafam sidagi CRPF singa si sat pe ara karigumba sat khibata aragadi atopa security force thambiram laga makoi gi mahut selakanda sat pi yunna tabata aragadi लेरिबा खुंजा में आमसे सिक्योरिटी फोर्स लेबदगी अखोय से खितंग इंगना लेबनी अदु मखोय सि सखिबा तारगदी अखोय तुम बसाबा खंगरोय कैगुंबा मखोयना थादुआगा सखिबा तारगदी तुंगदा लापा अफफता पुनमक्सी लेंगा मनी लेनबा अथॉरिटी पुनमकना दायित्व पुबिगदबनी।